In this video, we're going to give you a quick highlight of the important features of Degreeworks, a program for tracking and planning your degree progress. Degreeworks is a web-based tool for students and advisors alike to monitor progress toward degree completion. This is also the official auditing system that the registrar uses to check and see if you're ready to graduate. Let's first show you how to access this essential tool. Like many of our resources, you'll first need to navigate to the SEMO portal by going to my.semo.edu. Once there, you can search Degreeworks and select the relevant result, or select it via the Degreeworks button on your academic profile widget. At first glance, Degreeworks can appear to be very complex and intimidating. In all reality, this information can be extremely useful and simple to navigate, but let's go through it together piece by piece. The first section of Degreeworks is the worksheet legend. This shows you the symbols that indicate the status of a given course. You'll see these symbols used in the requirements sections later on. The green check mark means that those courses have been completed. The blue squiggly line are those courses that are in progress. And of course, the unchecked boxes are those courses that you still need to complete. Next is the header of the Degreeworks webpage. This lists your student ID, college level, degree, major, minor, your advisor, and all of the important stuff about you. Your major refers to the area of study you've chosen. A minor is an additional area of study, but it's not always required. Degreeworks features a degree progress bar. However, this bar is not always accurate, and we don't recommend that you utilize it to base your time here at Southeast on. The first red banner lists the requirement components of your degree, as you can see here. It takes a minimum of 120 credit hours to earn a bachelor's degree at Southeast. This also breaks down that you need general education requirements, senior college division requirements, if you're honors program eligible, and your core classes, major courses, and your minor courses if you have one. These additional sections are simply breakdowns of those requirements listed in the degree banner. As you can see, developmental requirements come first, followed by our general education requirements. There are 7 general education categories that must be completed, totaling for 42 credit hours. If you look over here on our right, it tells you how many more credits that you need for each category. For example, this student needs 3 more credits in their humanities and fine arts. You may have noticed this section called Senior College Division. This simply means that 39 of your 120 credit hours must be taken at a 300 level or higher, but no worries, as this is typically handled by your major courses anyways. Just keep this in mind, especially if you're pursuing a general studies degree. If you have a minor, your major banners will always precede your minor banners. So be sure to also check out your minor requirements towards the bottom. For courses with unchecked boxes, you can actually click on the course needed to see a listing of times and seats available. This is a good tool to check and see if this course will be offered in the upcoming semester, but you should always utilize lookup classes to view seats for courses. If you're unsure on how to do that, check out our lookup classes video. You may have also noticed that some of the courses have asterisks listed next to them, such as EC 225 on this student's Degreeworks. Asterisks simply mean that that course has a prerequisite. If you click on the course, it actually breaks down what those prerequisites are. So in order to take EC 225, we must take AG 245 with a minimum grade of C, or EC 215, minimum grade of C. It's important to note whether the prerequisite says or and, as and indicates that both courses must be taken. At the very bottom of the degree worksheet page, you may also see a section that says IP next to it, which means in progress. This includes anything you've registered for, not just classes you are currently attending. So there you have it. You should now know what Degreeworks is, have a brief insight into some of its features, know why it's important, and how to access it. In a later video, we'll explore the What If feature. This feature allows you to see what your degree progress would look like if you were to change your major, minor, degree concentration, catalog year, or any combination of these aspects of your degree. Thank you for watching this video, and remember, if you encounter any issues, your advisor is always there to help.